Are you so in love with the charts when in reality, by the time you see the candle, you already missed the move? Let's jump right into my summary for today's, but look at the screen right now. This is a replay of one of my trades this morning in the pre-market session. Okay, without using charts, just the level 2 and the tape. Most traders are studying their trading activities using lagging indicators like the technical analysis, like the candlesticks that happened 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago, an hour ago. None of that is going to help you to know the now of what is happening right now in real time. Only the tape and the level 2 data can help you to have the edge that most people do not use. Now, to a certain extent, it takes some brain power to be able to do this in real time. It takes programming your subconscious mind to react immediately once you're able to calculate the buyers and the sellers in real time and the price action as it's happening in real time. You have to be able to decipher that real fast, looking at the tape, looking at the price action in real time. Not a candlestick, not a technical. Nobody can tell you what the future is. Nobody. Day trading requires for you to react to the now. Not to predict, not to expect, not to satisfy your ambitions of greed or fear. As you see in my trading, as the price is increasing, I am adding more. The moment it starts backing down, I sell. That's the key. I'm not even sure why most retail traders are waiting for a candlestick to fully develop. Because by the time that happens, the move, most of the time, is over. What if you could execute a scalp trade before your conscious brain even realizes that it's happening? How about if you train yourself to be able to do that automatically? This is not just retail trading. This is not just day trading. This is mastery day trading. But the charts and the technicals will not allow you, because all they do is provide noise to your subconscious mind. Most of the time, by the time your brain is thinking, it's too late. To a certain extent, this is an unfair advantage that some elite traders have. The ability to read the tape and the level 2 data so fast and so well. It allows you to see the move before the candlestick is even formed. Anyways, these are my trades for today, as you can see here. BTOG, NNBR, and UPC. In my live stream, you can see the entire trades. But here, I show you the main one, the largest one for UPC. And here is another trade. This is for NNBR. As you can see, I don't need confirmation. I don't need a chart. I don't need a technical analysis study to tell me that in fact, the price action is to the upside. I am able to see it in real time. I am able to calculate in real time how many orders in the buy side and the sell side by looking at the tape. And I make decisions based on that information. As you can see here, this is my trade for UPC earlier today. Now, you see 15,000 shares, but I didn't buy the 15,000 shares all at once. I stagger it. Little by little, I improve my position as the price action continued to move. All of these trades, I started just with 100 shares. But by using a pyramid type of scheme, I was able to increase the size as I noticed the price action movement. Now, I understand there are a lot of people out there that love the charts. They love the technical analysis. But none of that is going to help me to trade the now. Because none of that information is going to tell me what is going to happen next. Mastering this skill is essential for day trading, at least in my opinion. It appears to be. I made another video how most people in this financial marketplace will never really have an edge because based on the efficient market theories, the price that you see in real time already has all the publicly available information included. In other words, whatever you think of the stock, whatever you think of the company, since that information is already public, that's reflected in the price. So most people will never have an edge because of that. My strategy is simple. I try to take opportunity from the moment the news comes out publicly to the point where people start reacting on the price action. It's a small little window, it's a small little edge, but that is sufficient to continuously make profits. Most things out there, outside of that, if you were to follow the efficient marketplace theory, will not work. Now, last week I made a video that explains this theory in conjunction with the strategy that I use. If you want to learn more of it, you please take a look at it. I hope to see you guys tomorrow on my live stream, 7 o'clock in the morning, between 6 and 7 in the morning. I'll be on live. Until next time.